Hello beautiful people of the world, it's your girl Sarah coming to you live. Today I'm bringing you guys a new video. My video today is my very fast natural makeup routine that I do a lot if I'm on the go and I don't want to spend too many hours doing my makeup. I hope you guys like it. It's not a tutorial. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I do is start off with my foundation. I'm going to be using my Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop as a mirror today. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 440. And I would just...
Pull up every time when I get something. I see one time, I see two times for my real friends in the back. I should have been there for me.
I already did my brows off camera. In case anybody was wondering, it's just an easier step. My next step is cream contour. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit in medium. My Real Techniques expert face brush.
What I've done, tell me what I've done, I don't deserve you. Tell me what I've done, tell me what I've done, I don't deserve you. Tell me what I've done, tell me what I've done.
Not too much though, because it's still a natural look, so we're not spending too much time doing that. My next step is my concealer. So I'm using my new Instant Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline.
One time, I see two times for my real.
Okay, so that's pretty much all that you do. And then I would take my Real Techniques blender.
I should have been there for me. They pull up every time when I get something. Tell them to come.
My next step is powder, so I'm just gonna put a lot of powder on my face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder. This is cashew. I don't know how else to say it. I was gonna say it's in the shade, but if it's the shade, it is cashew. And I'll just be using this big brush.
And the little beast started laying on me. Back then when I don't get nothing, when they come through, you go come to something.
That's pretty much all you do. I don't know what the shimmery stuff is on my face, but I would just go with it. Go with the flow. Okay, my next step is powder contour. And today I'm using my C Color Collection Contour Palette 2.
Tell them to come my food. Tell them to come my food. Tell them to come my food.
Okay, now that we're done with that step, my favorite step is putting on blush. I love putting on blush. I always put on blush. It never goes out of style for me. I know some people are like, oh, blush is so yesterday or whatever, but I never skip this step. Like, this is like a true religion for me. Putting on blush, like for real. I actually like it a lot. So I'm using my e.l.f. blush palette. It's just a blush palette. That's all that it says. So I'd like to tap on all shades that I like. And then I dust it off. That's gonna be so pink.
I should have been there for me. They pull up every time when I get something. Back then when I don't get nothing, you come through, you go drop something.
So I'm going to dip into my Perception palette, and I'm using the shade Culture, if you can see that. I'm not a makeup guru, man. I don't know what to tell you.
I don't deserve you. Tell me what I've done. Tell me what I've done. I don't deserve you. Tell me what I've done. Tell me what I've done.
And then another step that you're going to do. This is a good and almost final step. I know there's too many steps to this, but it's not a lot, I promise you. There's a lot of steps, but it's pretty easy. Powder. So the powder that I use is the Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. It's still a powder. I just never noticed.
I should have been there for me. They pull up every time when I get something. Tell them to go.
You know, simple but cute. I would set my face set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Doesn't make you feel wet. Almost the final step, we're getting there. Highlighter. The one that I'm using is the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed. I would have used this one, but I'm giving it a break because I use it a lot. So this was an old G for me. I'm gonna try it again.
Yeah, real friend, I swear I adore you. Tell me what I've done, I swear to deserve you. In those cold water, that your kinds are just people will make you.
I like this step, I don't want to skip it. This is the NYX Matte Bronzer.
Smile on my sad face, never made me feel like I'm in the wrong place. Everything you do.
Priming my eyelashes to put on mascara. So this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Base. I always have a hard time saying Voluminous.
One time, I see two times for my real friends in the back. I swear they've been there for me.
Left pencil, switch up, you know. I'm doing the same old boring thing. Okay, so the first one that I use is matte Cork lip liner. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara.
Tell me what I've done, I don't deserve you. Tell me what I've done.
Now just take a brush, dip it into Culture.
Tell me what I've done, I don't deserve you. You put a smile on my face, put a smile on my sad face. Never made me feel like.
And then I just take like whatever brush, dip into any eyeshadow. I'm using the Diva and TF today.
Every time when I get something, I see one time, I see two times for my real friends in the back. I swear they've been there for me.
Okay, so the last, the 2 steps to this one. So I'll take my Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in Trendsetter. My lip gloss, the lip gloss that I'm using is the Oh My Gloss Rimmel London.
Back then when I no get nothing, you they come true, you go come just something. You go come true, you know like keep fronting.
And that is all that I do. I am done. I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You know, as YouTubers starting off, I need you guys to subscribe to me. Leave a comment down below. You know, the whole shebang. God bless you.